Should Okay, it's recording.
Welcome, everyone, to Creating, Securing, and Assessing a Pharmaceutical Lab. I am Nanama Marfo,
And I am Nathaniel Bentliff.
along with our teammate Leandria Gates. We are partnered up with Mississippi State and Florida A&M University. The company background that we created for the business is called Star Pharmaceutical Lab. This business was founded in 1960 in the great city of Starkville, Mississippi. We specialize in pain relief medication. The overall goal is to create a safer and healthier world through our, our research and products. The project objective is to create a pharmaceutical lab that consists of these components: business background, business layout, network design, and policies. The main goal for our company is to make it as realistic and as possible to a real life pharmaceutical lab. We also had the privilege of using NIST 800-171 to secure lab and accesses. Now Nate will go on to talk about the policies.
So part of creating our company was creating a list of policies to make sure our company was properly secured and our information was secured. So I'm just going to read you a few of the policies we created. So our first one is login information. Our company requires a valid username and password to log into all company devices. We also use two-factor authentication, which requires users to approve a successful login through an app on their phone in order to access a company computer. Our company keeps a list of all authorized users and their roles and syncs it with our company system and database. Next up is our policy on security training. All employees receive annual training that goes over security protocols in the company. This training familiarizes users with safe practices to use to prevent compromising CUI, as well as how to identify security threats and what the proper reporting process is. And lastly is our policy on the least access principle. Employees only have privileges to the parts of the system that are essential for them to do their job. Our company's authorized employees consist of our IT team. They are the only employees that have access to privileged functions and company information. So right above our policies, you can see our network diagram. This was just another step in creating a realistic business. Our network diagram shows the network at our different offices, as well as the network in our server system. And you can just kind of see our different servers, where our firewalls are, routers, etc. So in conclusion, we learned how to construct a business and how to properly secure a business using the NIST 800-171 compliances.
For our references, we use MetaPharm Labs that we use for our earnings and expenses, as well as Aldiv Laboratories for our business model. And lastly, we use NIST 800 for our 171 for our compliances. If you also have further questions, you can contact myself and my team members below with our email addresses.
And on the next slide, we just have a better close-up of our network diagram, as well as our company layout if you want to take a better look at those. And with that, we're going to end our presentation. If you want to contact us, our emails are on the first slide with any questions, and I hope you all have a good day.
Have a good one, y'all.